Students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Now topic is trigonometry. Now subtopic is multiple and submultiple angles. Now here, if 5 into tan square x minus cos square x is equal to 2 cos 2x plus 9. Now cos 4x is, now cos 4x can be right now cos 2 into 2x, cos 2 into 2x. Now cos 2 into 2x means 2 cos square 2x, 2 cos square 2x minus 1, 2 cos square 2x minus 1. Okay, now here 5 into, in terms of cos 2x, 5 into 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x minus cos square x 1 plus cos 2x by 2 is equal to 2 into cos 2x plus 9. Now 2 into cos 2x plus 9. Let cos 2x is equal to t. Let cos 2x is equal to t. Now 5 into 1 minus t by 1 plus t minus, now 1 plus t by 2 is equal to 2t plus 9. Now here 5 into, now here LCM 2 into 1 plus t, 2 into 1 plus t, now 2 into 1 minus t minus 1 plus t whole square is equal to 2t plus 9. Now here multiply with 5, here by cross multiplication. Now 5 into, now here 5 into, now 2 minus 2t, 2 minus 2t minus 1 minus t square minus 2t is equal to, now 2 into 1 plus t into 2t plus 9. Now here, now multiply with 5, here 5 into, now 1 minus 4t minus t square is equal to, now 2 into 1 plus t into 2t plus 9. Now now 5 minus 9t minus 5t square. Now multiply here both. After simplification, that value 9t square, 9t square plus 42t plus 42t plus 13 is equal to 0. Now plus 13 is equal to 0. Now factors of this one, 9 into 13. Now 3 into 3 into 13. Now 39 into 3, 39 into 3. Now 9t square plus 39t plus 3t plus 13 is equal to 0. Now here 3t common, 3t plus 13, and here also 1 common, 3t plus 13 is equal to 0. Now 3t plus 1 into 3t plus 13 is equal to 0. Now t is equal to minus 1 by 3, and also t is equal to minus 13 by 3. Now here minus 13 by 3, t value cos 2x. Now cos 2x minus 13 by 3 is not possible. Now here cos 2x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Cos 2x is equal to, now cos 2x is equal to minus 1 by 3. Now cos 4x, cos 2 into 2x. Now 2 cos square 2x minus 1. Now 2 into cos 2x value minus 1 by 3. Now minus 1 by 3 whole square minus 1 minus 2 by 9 minus 1. Now 2 by 9 minus 1 means minus 7 by 9. Minus 7 by 9. Now cos 4x value minus 7 by 9. Fourth one is the correct one. Next one. If tan theta by 2 is equal to square root of 1 minus c by 1 plus c into tan alpha by 2, then cos alpha is equal. Now here put e is equal to 0. Put e equal to 0. Now here tan theta by 2 is equal to square root of 1 plus 0 by 1 minus 0 by 1 plus 0. Now into tan alpha by 2. Square root of 1, the value 1. Now tan theta by 2 is equal to tan alpha by 2. Now alpha by 2 is equal, theta by 2 is equal to alpha by 2. Now theta is equal to alpha. Now cos alpha is equal to cos theta. Now here cos alpha is equal to cos theta. Now here e values substitute any option. Now getting cos theta is the correct option. Now here first here substitute e value 0 means now here 1 by cos theta is there. And here also substitute now here 1 plus 0 by 1 by, here also 1 by cos theta is there. Now e value 0 means here also 1 by cos theta is there. Now here e value 0 substitute this option. Now cos theta minus 0 by 1 minus 0. Here by verification option 4 is the correct one. Now cos theta minus 0 by 1 minus 0 is equal to cos theta. Therefore option 4 is the correct one. Next one, if cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to a, sin alpha plus sin beta is equal to b, and also alpha minus beta is equal to 2 theta, cos 3 theta by cos theta is equal. Now here one equation 1 and here also equation 2. Now squaring and adding. Now equation 1 squaring on both sides. Now cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus 2 cos alpha into cos beta is equal to a square. Now squaring on both sides. Now equation 2. Now sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta is equal to b square. Now sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1, and here also sin square beta plus cos square beta is 1. Now 2 common. Cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta, cos a minus b, cos alpha minus beta is equal to a square plus b square. Now here alpha minus beta is equal to 2 theta are given. 2 plus 2 into cos 2 theta is equal to a square plus b square. Now here 2 common. 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to a square plus b square. Now 1 plus cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta, 2 into 2 cos square theta. Now 4 cos square theta is equal to a square plus b square. Next here given cos 3 theta by given expression cos 3 theta by cos theta. Now cos 3 theta 4 cos 6 cube theta minus 3 cos theta by cos theta. Now where cos theta common, 4 cos square theta minus 3. 4 cos square theta minus 3. Now 4 cos square theta minus 3 means, now here 4 cos square theta is value is there. 4 cos square theta is equal to a square plus b square, is equal to a square plus b square minus 3. Therefore cos 3 theta by cos theta value a square plus b square minus 3, option 2 is the correct one.